Hey everyone, so I take my glasses off so the things are shining. Just coming on to say today's video is all about social sewing and what people are sewing right now and seeing like secret Santa gifts that people have made. So if you've ever wondered what it's like to go to a sewing social, even if you're not in the mood to go to one, you just want to have a nosy, see who goes, see what we do, see what people do, and also find out what people are making right now. Or if you're thinking about setting one up, there's loads of reasons why today could be great for you. Or it might just be that you're just having fun watching. So I've got to get ready. I've got things to cook, things to pack, things to get out of the loft. So I'm going to take you with me. Let's just go and have some sewing fun. It is the night before the Southern Social, and as often what happens, I'm sorting myself out and I've run out of steam. And I've already watched a movie this evening. I've watched The Family Stone with Diane Keaton. Tell me if you love it. I haven't seen it for ages. Actually, I really loved it. It was really good. Sarah Jessica Parker is very good in it. They all are actually. I really enjoyed it. Had a little tear. So anyway, I'm having a bit of a tidy because I want to do some cutting out, but it's more than mid Vlogmas for me. I'm like, I don't know, 3/5 of the way through or something crazy, and I was in a pickle. So I've had a bit of a tidy. I'm gonna do some cutting out, and then I'll take you with me to the social. Good morning, lovely people. It is 7:30 a.m. and you're not just going to hear from me today, you're going to hear voices of other people. This isn't just any sewing social. We have got Evil Secret Santa, a quiz which we've never had before, the swaps table, snacks, and a room full of people who are going to tell you about what they're sewing, what they think about sewing with other people. Before we set off though, I just need to take a moment for the fact that when you're on your own, which I have been for the last 24 hours, treat yourself to some party food. Don't just save it for parties. I had the M&S mini croissants with ham and cheese, which cooked in the air fryer in 5 minutes, and I ate some last night and some this morning. Party food can be for a party of one. Are you ready? Let's go! Right, go on then, Julie, what have you made today?
Submit the LB pullover, and I'm just figuring out if I want to chop the sleeves or tuck them up. Put a hem on then.
Kate, what are you making today?
That's a good question. Can't remember. No, I did. It's the Lena Lee Camden skirt, so a little A-line skirt. Thought it was going to be easy, but no, it's pattern matching. So I've pattern matched my pockets. Yes.
Very impressive pattern matching.
And now I'm going to get on with this piece.
What are you sewing today?
I am sewing a very Christmassy, sparkly Westcliff dress.
Cute, isn't it?
I like the diamond.
Do you like the snowball?
Yeah.
All the oranges have got a little bit of pink, and some of the pinks have got a little bit of orange.
Yeah. So a mixture of two snowball style, which I've never done before.
Yeah, do it.
I'd say have a go.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Right, okay, I'm trying it then.
Going in.
Okay, she's going in. Today.
Toasted better.
Let's have a see.
I've been doing it. I'm picking them. I've put the waistband onto the neckband.
Oh no.
It's all been rectified.
Looking good.
Put the sleeves exactly now.
Thank you very much. Stop the machines. It is time. Right, the names are in my pocket in case you want to watch it. The first person to choose is Laura. Please see that my Mary's laid out the gifts. I'm just checking there's none in the other bag. You just leave those there, that's fine. Right, okay, I'm very happy with that. Should we swap them back then? Right. Okay, for anyone who's like nervous or unsure about going to a social, what would you say to them?
Just go, because I know this sounds weird, but I am a huge introvert.
Yeah.
And I moved into this area and I knew nobody and I knew I had to go out and meet people. And I chose a Southern Social and met Sam and met all these wonderful people, and I'm so happy I did it. It's the best thing I've done. Having an absolute ball, having Secret Santa, naughty Secret Santa.
Yes, we shan't mention what Julie's been calling it. Go watch Julie's vlog, yeah.
Yeah, and it's just been an absolute superstar journey of my life, and enough for me to now do YouTube and be confident about that and learn some fantastic sewing tips.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Doing table runner using the Bargello quilting method.
A what method?
Bargello quilting method.
Ooh.
I did 2 blocks of them earlier.
Helen, that's looking amazing. I'm just looking at the way the colours are here as well.
Yeah.
Looking fantastic. Thank you, Helen. Love it. Yeah. What have you been sewing today? Ooh.
The underbit for a Christmas party dress.
Nice. And it looks like a vintage pattern.
It is, yeah.
And you've got your boning there.
Boning, yeah, that's all.
Thank you. Can you show us the Christmas fabric it's going to be?
And then this is the top fabric.
Nice. Very nice. Thank you. What have you been sewing today?
I've been making a daisy pinafore dress for my granddaughter named Daisy.
Ooh, and it's a hack of a pattern, isn't it?
Well, yeah, hack for pattern, yes, yeah.
Yeah, and you burritoed and then fought with the burrito,
I've done
and
it.
you've done it now.
Yes.
It's looking very lovely, Caroline. Thank you. So Laura, anyone who's thought about coming to a social or nervous about it, what would you say to people?
Just do it. Maybe do it, maybe say, you'll stay for an hour or so the first time if you're nervous about it. But just do it, because people will either let you get on with your sewing if you don't feel like talking, you can just listen. People are really friendly, people are really welcoming, and after all, sewing friends are the best.
Thank you, Laura. I have been terrible at opening my advent this year. I've been having too much fun doing other videos for you. If you haven't caught them all, at the end there will be a playlist. I've put together a couple of different playlists now. So there's like a gift guide one, some sort of tips. There's I'm going to do my picks of patterns and picks of the year. So I will put the main one at the end, but if you head over to my main channel, you can go to playlists and see them all. So if you have the Becky's Sewing Studio advent calendar, I'm going to open some now. So click on past to the end if you don't want spoilers. I'm trying not to open day 24, which just appeared out then. But I'm going to open a few. So just click past, you'll know when it's safe, because I'll go, it's safe now. So here we go, just going to open a few of these. Right, here we go. So we have a stick and stitch embroidery transfer. Choose the fabric you want to embroider, and then you can like put these on. Love that. I love embroidery. That's great. I've never seen it like that before. We might have a proper look at that in another Vlogmas day. We've got a zip, a continuous bit of zip. Love that. They're always helpful. And 2 zip pulls in lovely sort of rose gold. Endlessly useful because checking old tape measures against new ones because they stretch out. And this says zip pull charm. What does that mean? Oh, so you can clip this on a zip pull. Love it. So you've got a lightning bolt and a star on there. I might even wear that on a necklace. Oh, love it. So there we go. I will see you. You're safe now for people who want to click on. I will see you in the next Vlogmas.